Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Many viewers watch Reels without sound and still engage heavily with content. Match your visual edits to beats using a 3-second visual pattern for rhythm. Add clear captions and subtitles timed every 2 seconds to keep reading pace in sync. Use on-screen words that name the trending audio and add the audio title in text and hashtags. Tagging the audio helps algorithmic discovery even when sound is muted. Design visuals to emphasize beat points so viewers feel rhythm without hearing music. Start by mapping beat markers visually every 0, 5 or 1 second for clear timing. Place text cuts and jump cuts on those beat markers to simulate the music pulse. Use 3 to 5 beat-driven transitions per 10 seconds for consistent energy. Layer subtle ambient sound effects at low volume to add texture without using the full track. Add animated waveforms and peak indicators to show where beats land on screen. Keep each visual cue short and predictable for easy viewer scanning. Always include the audio credits and hashtags with the exact song title and artist name. Use closed captions and descriptive text to improve accessibility and signal relevance to the algorithm. Mention the original audio in on-screen text so viewers can find the full track externally. Avoid uploading full copyrighted songs. Use 10 to 15-second clips only when you have permission. If using original voiceover, state it clearly and add a short note about the source or creator credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.